So today we're at Blessed Hope United Methodist Church here in West Allis, Wisconsin. This church had two issues. One was very weak Wi-Fi and a very weak network. The other was they had zero surveillance in the premise. We came in to help them accomplish that. My name is Santos and I'm with RedBird Technology Solutions. So let's get right to it. So we went with a product that we've used before. This is Ubiquity's product line. We use the UniFi line, and it's started with a UniFi Dream router. You've seen us talk about this before. We have a video showing and highlighting this router, what it can do, how strong it is. So go check that out. I hope that's very helpful for you guys. That router let us kind of push 5 access points in this building, starting for the long range that's in the main sanctuary. This is a very big sanctuary. It's wrapped in literally concrete and wood, so we needed something that could reach and go through these walls and give them what they were looking for to do here. They do a lot of video streaming, they do a lot of network powered mixing, things like that. So the network, the Wi-Fi is very important. The other thing that we did was put U6 pluses. These are smaller, but yet same as powerful. It's just as powerful throughout the building. Very key point areas, the lounge, the youth room, the kids room downstairs. And what it did is it let them just kind of wrap this entire place in strong Wi-Fi. No bars dropped, everything is accessible. They share a lot through the network, so that was able to accomplish that. The other thing that we were able to do after installing the system is give them the surveillance that they were looking for. So we started setting up a 1080p system. We're powering that through a Lorix NVR. We got different versions of cameras. Something that I wanted to mention is that 1080p kind of gets a bad rap nowadays, but it's still a very good solution for churches, for small business. So 1080p cameras throughout, being pushed by this Lorix NVR, and now they have the surveillance that they're looking for. So if you have any questions about the products that we've used here, about the services that RedBird Technology provides, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us through our socials. You can reach us by going to our website, redbirdit.net, and you can call us at 262-475-2615, options 1 or 2. We will be happy to help you guys out and see how we can just make your network stronger.